Top 5 upcoming space missions that will change our future. The year 2023 proved to be an important one for space missions, with NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission returning a sample from an asteroid and India's Chandrayaan-3 mission exploring the lunar South Pole, and 2024 is shaping up to be another exciting year for space exploration. The latter half of the year will feature several exciting launches, with the launch of the Martian Moon's exploration mission in September, Europa Clipper and Hera in October, and Artemis EU and VIPER to the Moon in November, if everything goes as planned. 1. Europa Clipper. NASA will launch Europa Clipper, which will explore one of Jupiter's largest moons, Europa. Europa is slightly smaller than Earth's moon, with a surface made of ice. Beneath its icy shell, Europa likely harbors a saltwater ocean, which scientists expect contains over twice as much water as all the oceans here on Earth combined. With Europa Clipper, scientists want to investigate whether Europa's ocean could be a suitable habitat for extraterrestrial life. The mission plans to do this by flying past Europa nearly 50 times to study the moon's icy shell, its surface's geology, and its subsurface ocean. The mission will also look for active geysers spewing out from Europa. 2. Artemis EU launch. The Artemis program, named after Apollo's twin sister in Greek mythology, is NASA's plan to go back to the moon. It will send humans to the moon for the first time since 1972, including the first woman and the first person of color. Artemis also includes plans for a longer-term, sustained presence in space that will prepare NASA for eventually sending people even farther to Mars. Artemis EU is the first crewed step in this plan, with 4 astronauts planned to be on board during the 10-day mission. Artemis EU will put the astronauts into orbit around the moon before returning them home. It is currently planned for launch as early as November 2024, but there is a chance it will get pushed back to 2025 depending on whether all the necessary gear, such as spacesuits and oxygen equipment, is ready. 3. VIPER to search for water on the moon. VIPER, which stands for Volatiles Investigating Polar Exploration Rover, is a robot the size of a golf cart that NASA will use to explore the moon's South Pole in late 2024. Originally scheduled for launch in 2023, NASA pushed the mission back to complete more tests on the lander system, which Astrobotic, a private company, developed as part of the Commercial Lunar Payload Services program. This robotic mission is designed to search for volatiles, which are molecules that easily vaporize like water and carbon dioxide at lunar temperatures. These materials could provide resources for future human exploration on the moon. 4. Lunar Trailblazer and Purime-1 missions. NASA has recently invested in a class of small, low-cost planetary missions called SIMP-LX, which stands for Small, Innovative Missions for Planetary Exploration. These missions save costs by tagging along on other launches as what is called a rideshare or secondary payload. One example is the Lunar Trailblazer. Like VIPER, Lunar Trailblazer will look for water on the moon. But while VIPER will land on the moon's surface, studying a specific area near the South Pole in detail, Lunar Trailblazer will orbit the moon, measuring the temperature of the surface and mapping out the locations of water molecules across the globe. 5. JXA's Martian Moon Exploration Mission. While Earth's moon has many visitors, big and small, robotic and crewed, planned for 2024, Mars moons Phobos and Deimos will soon be getting a visitor as well. The Japanese Aerospace Exploration Agency, or JXA, has a robotic mission in development called the Martian Moon Exploration, or MMX, planned for launch around September 2024. The mission's main science objective is to determine the origin of Mars moons. Scientists aren't sure whether Phobos and Deimos are former asteroids that Mars captured into orbit with its gravity, or if they formed out of debris that was already in orbit around Mars. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.